Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are looking at the position log of this new intraday strategy. Two scripts that are running, actually a few. We have the usual Redis server. We have our position downloader, which runs every minute. I'll show you that in a minute. We also have the downloader, which grabs all the latest data. These are the current conditions of the markets. It's been negative for the last more than 12 hours. Today's first day I've had instances in the top 20 where all these hourly moves were very negative. So I had to readjust my strategy to consider those. So you can see here we have Bitcoin SV out moving at 3.46. Then Bitcoin Cash 1.18. These are hourly moves. Then NEM at 0.54, Monero 0.44, and so on. Okay, so that's pretty well that. Let me show you here. We have a position log and a watch log. And I'll show you how frequent the number of positions there are on the minute by minute basis. And I'm only analyzing on minute. I'm not sure if I have a winner, but so far so good. Just show you in a minute. So as I said, we have the positions log and the watch list log, position log, which most people probably care about. This one here, position 2, is just a duplicate of it. In fact, let me just do this. This is no hocus pocus stuff. Just having problems with this mouse tonight. Okay, so let me show you the Redis desktop manager, which is not running right now. Everything stays the same except just the frequency of what's running. We've got a couple of files here, folders. We have our position, this one here, which is BCBTC, currently open. We have I'm tracking now P&L, profit and loss of the crypto. We also have positions that are currently open, and the watch list, which I tightly manage now. And it does get pretty slow. It could crash my system when it is run overnight. Just do the heavy processing if I get up to, I'll say, over 20 crypto pairs. So we go into the log here of positions 2. So I'm going to go over to the bottom. I think we're already there. Now what I've got here is positions, if I can get to it. So I'll go in reverse. So right now it's 11:47 p.m. coming up to midnight Friday night, December 14th right now. So the log time that you'll be looking at is Greenwich Mean Time. And so let me go back, see here. So here I have one position at this time, which is overnight, 9:29. So we have the original price of when the position was put on, the timestamp when the position was opened. I keep track of this so we know how long the positions are on for. So this is right here. This right here, this Neo Ethereum, that's the symbol. This is when the position was put on. Here you can see here when the position was closed. Here we also have the current close, which is the close of the exit, P&L ratio. And I'm also still tracking the return rate of change percentage. So as you know, for good traders should target 1% every day. So what I'll show you here is that these moves are very, very small, but they're still profitable. So this is the first one, the latest one, latest exit. Next one, previous Litecoin Ethereum. And we'll just focus on the P&L. So there is a P&L, profitable. Not much again. Move is 0.275. Next one, previous one I should say. Litecoin Ethereum again. Now I need to point out here, you'll see the same ones over and over again because measurement momentum is one that I use throughout before I put on a trade. So the momentum's got to be fairly strong and consistently strong because if you look in the watch list, two conditions that the trade will not happen. It'll get removed from the watch list if the momentum gets too weak or negative. Also, the other thing that happens is, for now, I only keep one pair open as a position at a time. There's multiple times when a crypto pair will want to open up more positions, but I prevent that from happening for now, just due to the fact that I only want like one crypto pair open at a time. So there's lots and lots of positions that get prevented from being open, but the conditions get met on the entry. So here we have Litecoin Ethereum. Looks like this position was put on for roughly 2 hours, as well as the P&L, again, really small, but the ROC percent is 0.1. Now 0.1% is the commission fee. So that's what we're striving for, to be profitable when you net out the commission fee or the broker fee. So let's see what else we've got here. Neo Ethereum again, profitable. Once again, the rate of change was 0.38. Here's another one, Neo Ethereum. So you'll start to see what I've noticed is with certain cryptos, if I show you the current situation with the downloader, you will see over and over again the number of pairs that get listed as the top movers. There'll be lots of them. Let me just show you an example. Oh, that's the price. Yeah, so here, let me just get the latest. Now this is done every 2 minutes of downloading for now, but I'm going to have to reduce it to every 5 minutes. And you can see here again that Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Coin, Binance Coin, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, let's say it's the top 5. What you'll find is the ones that have usually a strong momentum. So Neo can do fairly well. Depending upon Bitcoin Cash, that one can usually have a very strong momentum. And Litecoin has been also the other one that has been fairly strong for the last 12 hours. So do realize that, and you'll see either Neo against Ethereum, Litecoin, and the other one is Bitcoin Cash. Those have been the movers lately, and I'll like to say all profitable ones, as you'll see. So again, here we have Litecoin against Ethereum. This position was put on for 2 hours again. The rate of change was 0.11, and here's the P&L. Show you here again. Litecoin Ethereum once again. Funny, 2 hours. Might be a bug of some kind. That doesn't sound right. Rate of change at 0.26, and rate of change, and it's still profitable. Here we have, 2 hour position. Rate of change 0.025 P&L is profitable. Litecoin again, and this time the rate of change was 0.24. I've gone through all of them, and I think this is where it stops. Yeah. So everything else from here is experimental, but the ones I showed you are pretty well firm ones, and they look pretty profitable for now, which is good. But I'm not sure if that's luck or not. But I just want to show you that. And yeah, so that's pretty well the whole thing. And just want to show you that the minute by minute can work, and you can get more profitable positions, more frequent ones. But they do stay profitable. Looks like, but I'll run this through the night and through tomorrow, see what happens. And if this is like what I would consider a very down market, as I showed you with the movers, once you get the majority of the pairs, the top 20, let's say, moving at 2-3% per hour, yeah, I would expect these profitable, hopefully these profitable swings will be more profitable. That's what I'm hoping. Okay, so that's pretty well it. We shall talk to you there.